Oh, so mag-best friend at
Best friend.
Ayusin niyo muna.
Bala ba?
Pilitin mo muna tayo.
Ang bala. Ang bala, Amber, lagay mo dito.
Sound check, sound check. Sound check. Sound check. Guys, nilibre ako ni JC ng hotdog. So, on the way na ako para bumili. So, wala naman siyang ipapabili. So, ang agenda ko lang ay bumili ng aking half kilo. Ate, half long po. Yung ano niya eh, adjustment. Patingin nga ako. Parang yung sa heat detector. Tingnan siya. Okay. Amber, yung pati powder. Ano yung ano? Ano malagay? Sorry lang. Ano? Ano malagay? Sorry. Ano? Saan yun? Is March 12 and it's currently 8 a.m. ng ngayong umaga and I have class ng 10 a.m. So currently nagko-coffee lang ako kasi I have class nga ng 10 a.m. and kailangan ko ng energy today because mahaba-haba yung araw ko today, as in since after ng 10 to 1 p.m. ko na class is diretso na kaming Bukawi. So, may baon akong lunch. And then, after namin mag-lunch dun sa class namin na yun ng 10 to 1. Pwede naman kasi kami mag-lunch dun sa taas. Lunch. And then, after nan, diretso na kami ng Bukawi. And then, cemetery ng Bukawi. And then, next is yung Korean temple na sinasabi nila na gusto nilang puntahan ng circle of friends ko. Ayun, gusto nilang puntahan yun, guys. Kaya, ayun, naisipan namin siyang ituloy today. And then, lastly, ayun nga, we are going to Ate Stella's house sa Bukawi. Yun nga lang, mahaba-haba siyang biyahe kasi maraming biyahe ang masasakyan namin today. So, kailangan ko talaga ng maraming energy. So, kailangan ko talaga nito. And then, ayun, mag-aayos na ako, maliligo na ako. And dahil excited sila, kailangan ma-excite ako dahil another core memories na naman namin to. na mabubuo today. So, yeah. Let's go! Hi ka! Hi! Hi ka!
Ay, video ba yan?
Oo, hi! Hi! Say hi!
Hello.
Say So, nandito kami ngayon, guys. Korean temple.
Bilis nga kayo dyan, linisin nyo nga. Linisin nyo yung nga yung kain.
So, ayan o. Chapel. Ang ganda-ganda.
Nawala yung payong ko. Picture mo ba?
Siyempre naka-dress ka eh. So, ito na kami. On the way na kami. Ito sila o. Yun o. Yun sila o. Ito sila eh. Yung hinahanap natin nandito. Ayun o. Ayan. Currently, nagpipicture sila dyan. So, ako naman nandito. Here's our view. Mapipikit-pikit pa to. JC, mahal ka nun. Okay lang yun. Hindi mo sure. JC, mahal ka nun. Hindi mo sure. Yan na, yan na.
Lover with you, love with you. Feels so true, feels so new. Love with you, love with you. Every moment just me and you. Every day shining bright. In your eyes I see the light. Laugh and dance through the night. Can't believe this feels so right. Love with you feels like a dream. Never wanna wake it seems. Holding hands under the stars. With you I can go so far. Every day shining bright.
Ay, putang ina nyo. Ay, joke lang.
In your eyes I see the light. Laugh and dance
Ay,
through
putang
the
ina,
night.
umino. Kaya nag-video.
Can't believe this feels so right. Love with you. Love with you. Feels so true. Feels so new. Love with you. Love with you. Every moment just me and love with you feels like a dream. Never wanna wake it seems. Holding hands under the stars. With you I can go so far. Every day shining bright. In your eyes I see the light. Laugh and dance through the night. Can't believe this feels so right. Love with you. Love with you. So true. Feels so nice. Love with you. Love with you. Every moment just me